Ruth Balonquita. I am 23 years old, Filipina. I am a Christian. I have brothers and sisters, and I am the fourth child in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Ruth. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you, sir, madam.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Ma'am, I am hardworking, responsible, and patient, obedient also.
Okay, so since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid homesickness?
I am avoid homesickness by focus to my job and think of my future.
So can you tell us how to take care of children?
I can treating them as my own sisters and brothers, give them medicine whenever they are sick, give them foods and vitamins, and take a bath.
So what if you commit mistakes, what to do?
I will say sorry, ma'am, and I will apologize to them and say I will not do it again.
Okay, then what is your last message or promise to your employer?
I will promise them, sir, madam, that I will hardworking, I will be patient and trustworthy. I am willing to do my job well. Thank you, sir, madam.
Thank you, Miss Ruth, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.